Good morning, word study friends. We are moving on today to sort K number 2. We have a new kind of discovery today. Your discovery, or what we're looking for, based words with the vowel consonant consonant and vowel vowel consonant pattern. There is no change when you add ing to show the present tense. But with base words with the vowel consonant E patterns, you need to drop the final E and add ing to show the present tense. So we're looking at words like asking. They have vowel consonant consonant. The A is vowel, consonant S, consonant K. There's no change, you just add ing. Or vowel vowel consonant like mailing, vowel A, vowel I, consonant L, and then you just add ing. There's no change. But in words like shaking, where you have a vowel, which is the A, the K, which is the consonant, and then E in the word shake, you have to drop that E before adding ing. So we're going to sort our words. This week, actually, we're starting, I think we had it once before, so you'll see, but you actually have the digital sort that you can click on and go to sort your words digitally rather than the whole messing with the sorting of this sorting, because that's not always the easiest to do. So we're going to look at this sort. We're going to look at the vowel consonant consonant, which in words like asking, in words like blinking, in words like fishing, limping, guessing, and smelling. These words all have vowel, consonant, consonant, 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 and vowel, consonant, consonant before adding the ing. There's no change to the words. Other words that are vowel, vowel consonant, like mailing and snooping, OOP, and keeping and cleaning, floating. Oh, it looks like all these. Oh, shouting. These words all are the vowel vowel consonants, so AI then L, OO then P, EE then P, EA then N, OA then T, and OU then T. These words are all vowel vowel consonant, so you don't need to drop anything. There's no change before adding ing. Our last words, the base words all end in E, so it's vowel consonant then E, and you need to drop that E before adding ing. Like in live, live has an E, but living, you drop that E. Make has an E, drop the E, add ing to make making. Shaking, riding, chasing, writing, using, and voting all have to drop that E before adding ing. Now we check. Yay, 20 out of 20. So as you can see, going back to your discovery, base words with a vowel consonant consonant and vowel vowel consonant, there's no change when you add ing. But base words with vowel consonant E patterns, you have to drop the final E before adding ing. Good luck this week with your word study work. Remember, you have to have 5th grade sentences. You guys are almost 6th graders now, so you have to have those 5th grade sentences in your homework to hand in on Wednesday. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week and an awesome weekend. And I look forward to getting all of your homework handed in on time this week. All right, guys, have a great day.